Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe our channel because you will be beneficiate from our channel and it also gives us motivation. So please bring motivation on and subscribe our channel. Today's job notification has come from Tech Mahindra. It is a mega off campus drive 2021 Tech Mahindra mega off campus drive. Tech Mahindra hiring for 2019 batch, 2020 batch as well as 2021 batch. BE Tech MCA can apply for this job. We will discuss in detail in this video. So please subscribe our channel to get this type of latest job news from our channel. So all of you have an idea that Tech Mahindra is a very large company in IT sector. Job profile name is Associate Software Engineer. They are hiring for this job profile. Degree required is BE Tech MCA. Year of passing is 2019, 2020 and 2021. Experience required freshers. CTC 3.25 LPA. Work location across India. Venue location, it is a virtual drive and online drive, so there is no cost for this exam. So as soon as you are getting notification for this job, you can easily register for this exam because there is no additional fee to give this exam. So and also it is virtual mode, so you can give this exam. Last date to apply is 28th March. So today is 26th already. So 28th March is the last date. So you have 2 days of time. So mainly the job is about the program will be for the 2019, 2020 and 2021 pass out batch. They have some 6-month internship period followed by a full-time job opportunity. The program is uniquely designed to offer young individuals to initiate their skill India, skill workforce and ecosystem that bridges the gap by imparting job skills to an expanding workforce. So the academic eligibility they are asking for qualifying course mainly CS or computer science, engineering, mechanical, electrical, IT, electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, telecom, communication, electronics or MCA can apply. ME MTech candidates are not eligible. Candidates should have completed qualifying course in 2019 or 2020 without any backlog. 2021 graduates are also eligible. Should also have, you have to secure 60% marks in your 10th, 12th or diploma board. Not more than 1 year gap is eligible for this job post. Some holistic selection, like candidates shortlisted from the registered list will undergo a selection process where they will be evaluated on aptitude, communication, personality test and technical skills, that is basic programming test, business awareness. Application start date already started, as I have mentioned, 23rd March. Applications end date is 28 March. Assessment start date is 1st April 2021. Assessment end date is 16th April. So within this time span you will get the admit card for your exam. Shortlisting and announcement of the candidates is 17th April to 23rd April. Onboarding date is 26th April. Post selection, on selection, candidates will be issued letter of intent. Candidate will be guided through business unit specific self-learning POCs. No stipend will be provided during the internship period. Candidate performance will be carefully monitored. And workplace and timings, candidates should be willing to work at any of the Tech M development centers or client locations spread across country as per the company's specified work timings. So apply before the link expire. Click on apply link. So you will be redirected to the official website. So you can see here one pop-up is there. Click here to register. So you can directly click here to register, or if you are a registered candidate you can go to this already registered tab. Just you need to log in there. So if you are new candidate then you need to click on registration. Okay. So after clicking on registration, some information will be given to you, that notification I have discussed with you. Then you have to select that you are agreeing their terms and conditions. Then you need to click on continue. Then the form will be open to you. You have to fill this form like some basic things like first name, middle name, university roll number, date of birth, your marital status, gender, email ID, phone number, your qualification details. All you have to fill there, your percentage of marks in all the boards, as well as college name, all those things you have to fill up there. Then the captcha code, then you have to click on register, then you will be applying for this job. So this is the registration process. If you are finding any challenge, you can comment in our comment section, or we will try to solve your challenge. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video, and also keep subscribing us, keep motivating us. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe button for this video. Thank you so much friends. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Bye.